So there I was, surrounded by people, all kinds of different people asking questions, trying to figure out, how do I get in front of the right person? How do I find them? And as I was sharing with them what we do, I realized something incredibly impactful that most people don't take the time and sit down and think about. So I want you to take time right now. Sit down and think about, what are they already doing to solve the problem? See, because this is one of the key ways you can figure out who that ideal person is and how you can get in front of them. So for example, testimonials. If you know that your prospect, an ideal client for your business, is currently doing business with someone else, and they have their testimonial, you know they're trying to solve that pain. You know they're working through that obstacle, right? So look at who else are people buying from that product, that service also solves the pain that you solve for your clients. See, it's so impactful to make sure you're looking from every different angle, because they already have the problem. They're already trying to solve the problem. And this is another thing. It's way easier to try and help someone, to close someone who is trying to solve the problem somewhere else than just start from scratch. So I've got to ask you, I've got to encourage you, look at where else are your prospects spending money to solve this problem. Who are they spending money with? What softwares are they spending money with to track the problem? See, tracking and understanding and metrics, those are all huge tools that you can use to build your prospecting list. And I'm here to tell you, the smaller that list is, the easier it is to get results, because you're custom, you're focused, you're really diving in to what are their problems, what are they looking to solve, how are they trying to solve it. Because if you can do that, if you can really take action and dive in that specific area and help them figure out that your solution is one of the best ways to solve this problem, it's a win for them and a win for you. For example, if there's, in software, there's a tech stack. A tech stack is all the different softwares that they use to track and measure and make sure things are moving forward. If you look at their tech stack, for example, one of my friends, Anita, does churn consulting, helps softwares reduce the number of clients they lose. So if you look at their tech stack and you see some of those softwares that are used to reduce churn or measure churn or track churn, you know they're cognizant of how often and how they're losing clients currently. So I want you to take some time today and think about, who else is solving this problem for my clients right now, right? Who else is solving this problem? Because you can go and use their list, their client list, as your prospect list. Does this make sense? Because everybody needs help. And if you don't believe that your product is better than the competition's, then maybe you should not be selling that product. Okay? So you need to have a conviction that you can help, that you are a better fit than the competition. You've got to have that conviction and go after it. And you've got to be willing to do the hard work to get into these conversations. So I want to invite you guys, focus, narrow down that list. Narrow down that ideal client so that you can get in front of the right people, and you can get in front of them at the right time when they're trying to solve the problem, not when you're trying to sell. See, it's a huge game changer if you can get in front of people when they're focused on that problem. That's one of the reasons why the speed at which you respond to any lead, any opportunity is crucial. It's crucial. You must be there when they reach out because they're thinking of that problem right now. Whereas if you wait, if you give it time, if you let 2 weeks pass by, they won't even remember that they reached out. You've got to take action and you've got to do it right now. I hope this helps. By the way, down below, I do a prospecting challenge once a month where I walk people through our prospecting system, what it is we do, how we do it, so that they can grow and grow their business. If you'd like to come, it's free. The link's down below. Get registered, and hopefully together we can go out, change the world, make a bigger impact, and have a boatload of fun while we're doing it. Thanks, guys. Sign up for the challenge, and we'll talk to you soon.